Hey y'all, it's Rob from Money Stereo Installation, otherwise known as MSI. We'll be unboxing today. We're unboxing the lid cut-in kit for the 2425 because we got a 2425 for it to go into. That's right, you heard me. Hey, brand new off the dribble, as D. Hogan would say, from my boys from Kings of Cali. We working it out, getting them in, getting them out. My man said he don't want too much. He just needs just a little bit. So as I always say, holla at me. We stay ready so we ain't got to get ready. This is Rob from MSI, Money Stereo Installation. As you see, we all over the place with it. Hey, gotta go. Stay tuned. Click like and subscribe. Yeah, and what I like about so far about these kits made by Sir Vega / Diamond, that they're using brass inserts, 1, 2, 3, 4 in there. So you're gonna get threaded screws go right into it, and it's gonna look something like this when it goes on there. Yeah, like that. Chop the other side in a minute. Let me go ahead and assemble this, and I'll get back with you in a second. Stay tuned. MSI, click like and subscribe. Here we go. One end. Like so. Nice heavy 6x9 too. So yeah, that right there, boy, gonna do a little something. Yeah, definitely gonna be louder than what we had with that stocky boo-boo stuff, as they call it on the streets. Gonna chop this one over here in, break this one in. Then we're gonna get on to the front half. Program is lay out all the speakers first. Then next, lay all the wiring in. Front coming off soon. If you don't know how to take these fronts off, it's one at the bottom, one inside of here. Then you got 3 here, and there's one over here, and there's one directly below this here on each side. So a little bit more complex how to take the front off the newer bike. The speakers drop from this side only. You don't have to take the speaker pod to get them out as in the older bike previous year. So yeah, we're gonna continue on the journey. Yeah, so when you do your cuts, you're always gonna have little plastic burrs. We use reciprocal saw, the Milwaukee move over there. But you always want to come in with your file and clean it up. Just take away the extra debris. Take off the edge of the melted plastic to ensure a good fit. Then you go ahead and peel your paint off, your tape off. See, because you'll have little lips like this, you know, so you want to clear all that stuff up. But yeah, like I said, we're moving along.
Somewhere, leave me alone. I remember being 21 when my life had just begun. 22, many things to see and do. 23, looking for the 24s. Just me, it ain't no love no more.
We better than what we had?
Yeah.
I thought so. Hey y'all, Rob from MS. Yeah, I don't know what type of music you listening to, but you can tell me how, man. Bill, little Bill. How does it sound compared to what you was playing with earlier, man, when you showed up?
Hey, y'all better fuck with Money Rob, man. Money Rob got you sounding like.
Hey, let me ask you a question.
And the turnaround time.
How long have I had your bike today?
3 hours, 4 hours.
We started like at 5 o'clock.
We started like at 5. It's 10:30. He had it 5 hours, man.
Yeah.
He got my shit going crazy. Hold on. Hold on.
Play something, man. Let him hear something, goddamn.
Same old pain. Think it's time for a change. Some shit ain't like me no more. Some shit don't excite me no more. It don't excite me no more. No, it ain't like
I ain't even halfway up.
Okay, and you got a little bass in your life, and you got some space.
And I'm not even halfway up. Hey, bro.
Also, man, this right here is from me to you, man. Pop that open, let the world see what you see, man.
Yeah, bro.
You know.
Hey, bro did his thing. Hey, y'all, if y'all ain't fucking with Money Rob, y'all better take y'all shit and put it up.
Let me see the back of that, man. Here we
Hey.
go.
Y'all better fuck with Money Team, man.
Yeah, right there. You know, that part right there, love one, as my man down South Central would say. And
Hey, y'all
we
better fuck with the Money Man over here.
we
man.
get kicking them in, kicking them out.
Hey, and I brought him straight stock. I didn't even bring, bruh. And he got the shit ready for you. I didn't even pull up with nothing.
Hey,
I threw him the keys.
and I said, hey, holla, we got you. Hey, that's all I got to say, y'all. Live and direct. Click like and subscribe. Do something. Tell a friend, because I'm pretty sure he is.
Hey, I ain't even halfway up. I'm not even halfway.
He over here like, hey, he's speechless right now. You know, hey.
I'm not even halfway.
Me up when he pulled up.
I ain't even gotta go all the way up. I can go
You ain't got all to go all the way up. It depends on what you're
halfway.
playing now. Just keep it loud and clear. When you unclear, turn that shit down because you're doing too much. But the main goal is to be heard and make it do what it do. So that's all I got to say, y'all. My man put me up on some other stuff. I ain't gonna tell y'all about that, how to get that screen up on your screen. But hey, G14 classified. Oh wait, you got the cord for it?
Got the cord.
Okay. Let me. So y'all, he's showing me how he was getting down on the screen in Phoenix. Had everybody all eyes on him, huh? Okay. Yeah, my brother man will give me a hook up to that, so stay tuned. Oh, I wasn't even recording that, was I? Yes, I was. Okay, it's on there.
The same old things, the same old games, same old pain. Like it's time for a change. Cause some shit ain't like me no more. Some shit don't excite me no more.
Hey, y'all, we got it in at 5. We out at 10. 10:33 or so. Yeah, again, money stereo installations, getting them in, getting them out. Actually, he took longer than I thought to get here. We were done at 9:30. So that was, 5 to 9. That part, gotta go.